In this video, we meet our young ambassador, Gemma Owen, Director of Development, Ranjeet Khare BEM, charity supporter, Tina Roberts, Gemma's mother, Louise Bonsall, and from the UCL Institute of Ophthalmology, Professor of Retinal Neuroscience and Consultant Ophthalmologist, Omar Mahroo, and Principal Investigator, Dr. Matteo Rizzi. The team are touring a research lab and eye hospital using a range of equipment including microscopes, on-screen tests for assessing sight, and computer screens showing scaled-up gene imagery. Ranjeet Khare BEM, Director of Development.
So I'm Ranjeet and I'm the Director of Development at our organisation. I'm really excited to be at the UCL Institute of Ophthalmology today, one of the world's most renowned centres for research in ophthalmology and gene therapy. Today we're going to be showing you one particular project that's just launched, which is working in the Stargardt disease area, and that is a disease that affects 1 in 8 to 10,000 people. It's an inherited condition, so it's something that people carry generation to generation, and it involves people gradually losing their sight. We're lucky to be joined by two families who are affected by Stargardt's, the Roberts family and the Owen family. They have been supporting us for years, working with us tirelessly, tenaciously and passionately to raise money to enable us to make projects like this one that you're seeing and hearing about today happen.
Professor Omar Mahroo, Professor of Retinal Neuroscience and Consultant Ophthalmologist.
I'm Omar Mahroo. I'm a Professor of Retinal Neuroscience here at UCL. The Stargardt disease is the commonest genetic eye condition. It affects the retina, which is the light-sensitive layer at the back of the eye. It usually affects the central part of the retina, which is responsible for our highest resolution vision, reading, recognizing faces and objects. So it causes a degeneration of the center of the retina, which is called the macula, and in some people it can also affect the peripheral retina as well.
Dr. Matteo Rizzi, Principal Investigator.
We try and develop gene therapy approaches, and the main challenge for Stargardt disease is that the kind of particles that we need to deliver gene therapy are quite big. So we had to try and think outside the box and come up with some creative solution. After many experiments, we came up with something that actually finally makes these particles go very well inside the cells of the eye. So the idea then is that eventually these will go into patients, and we will be able to the doctors will inject these, and then they will stop the disease in these patients.
Gemma Owen, Young Ambassador.
Thank you to everyone who supported the charity. I've had such an amazing day around the lab, seeing what goes on, and it's truly incredible the amazing work that goes into it. So thank you to everyone who's donated, show support in any way. It really means the world.
Tina Roberts, charity supporter.
Well, it's been fantastic today to have this opportunity to go behind the scenes and see the amazing work that all these wonderful people actually do on behalf of people who've got sight loss. But there's still work to be done. You know, we've got to keep going.
Ranjeet Khare BEM, Director of Development.
We know that projects like this are the future of understanding and saving sight, but we can only do that with your support. So please do donate today and do what you can to save sight.